Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is the unboxing of Sony C310 Bluetooth wireless earphones. I got these earphones recently, mostly because they have a 15-hour battery life, which I can use all day long without interruption. When your battery runs low, just 10 minutes of charging gets you a full 60 minutes of playback. This means that even if you're in a rush, you'll soon be ready to get the music going again. If you have more time, you can charge the battery to full in just 3 hours. The around-the-neck design is comfortable, lightweight and keeps your headphones out of the way, so you can get on with listening in total freedom. Each earbud has a built-in magnet for tangle-free carrying and storage, and that is handy. They are fitted with a 9mm driver unit, which delivers dynamic audio performance with deep bass, crisp treble and outstanding clarity. They actually sound great. Finally, I can say that they are soft, flexible and lightweight. The C310 wireless in-ear headphones let you listen in comfort, anytime, anywhere. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.